You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2.
Okay, go ahead and take your math books out. We are on page 83. A little close, isn't it? Page 83. There we go. Pretty much all of this you could do by yourself, but let's just go through it real quick anyway. First, we have some sumas and restas. So you can pause the video and do those. Okay. Next, we have this question here. Color 1/4 of each shape. Un cuarto del círculo y el cuadrángulo. Un cuarto. What a cuarto is, a fourth, split into 4 even parts. If it's a half, it's 2 even parts. It's a media, 2 partes. It's a fourth, a cuarto, it's 4 parts. 4 partes. So go ahead and color in 1/4, un cuarto of those. Okay. Next, we're counting by 5s. I'll do this one with you, and you can do this one by yourself. We're going from 30 to 40. What's the number in the middle? ¿Qué es el número en el entre? By 5s, como 5s. 30, 35, 40. Okay, see that? All right, so go ahead and do this one by yourself. Okay. Next is take out your ruler, your regla, and measure these lines. Remember, you stick the end of it here, right under the end, and you go. This one right here is between the 3 and the 4. So what do we call this one? It's 3.5. 3.5. Okay? Now go ahead and do this one by yourself. Okay? And then do the same thing down here. Only this time you have to draw the line. Draw a line that's 3 inches. Excuse me, 5 inches. 5 pulgares. And a line that's 4.5 inches. 4.5 pulgares. Go ahead. Next, take a look at this line down here and guess how big it is. Estima. How big it is. Put your guess down here, and then you can take your ruler or your regular out and measure it and find out how close you really were. Okay? Put your guess here and put the real answer right there. All right? And then last, if it says Jess picked 11 daisies. Jess tiene 11 flores. She gave 6 to Liz. Ella da 6 a Liz. How many daisies does she have left? ¿Cuántas flores tiene Jess ahorita? What's 11 menos 6? 11 minus 6. Yeah, you should know that just fine. Okay, on the back, sumas. Do them. Next, we have some pictures here. They want you to circle 1/4 of these. Un cuarto de esos. So here we have some balls, some baseballs. How many do we have? I'll do these two with you, and then you can do this one by yourself, okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is 1/4 of 8? Un cuarto de ocho. Well, if we split these up into groups, see that we have 4 groups that are equal. Cuatro grupos son iguales. So what's un cuarto? What's 1/4? It's 2, right? We have 2. How about here? What's 1/4 of 4? It's un cuarto de cuatro. 1, right? Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 things, 4 equal groups. Cuatro grupos iguales. Un cuarto. So now take a look at these baseball bats and see if you can figure out what 1/4 of those bats is. Un cuarto de estos. How many is 1/4? Okay. And then there's a question down here. It says 1/4 of the 12 players on Caleb's baseball team did not ride the school van to the game. Un cuarto de los 12 estudiantes no están en el bus. ¿Cuántos no están en el bus? So what is 1/4 of 12? Un cuarto de 12. The same answer you got here is the answer that goes there. So if you got this right, you'll get this one right. What is 1/4 of 12? Un cuarto de 12. Okay. Well, that's all for today's math lesson. It wasn't a very hard one, was it? And if you did have trouble, you can always go back and watch this again and hear all this a second time. Okay? All right. You can put that away now, and we can go on to do our English.